હવે ડ્યુરિંગમાં આપણે રાઇમ ગાવાની છે. પેજ નંબર 19 ઉપર જે રાઇમ છે ફ્રૂટ્સની એ રાઇમ છે આપણે ડ્યુરિંગમાં એક્ટિવિટી જે આપેલી છે એ આપણે ગઈએ. I like fruits.
I like fruits.
I love fruits.
I love fruits.
Big or small.
Big or small.
Sweet or sour.
Sweet or sour.
Guava is small.
Guava is small.
Watermelon is big.
Watermelon is big.
Mango is sweet.
Mango is sweet.
Berry is sour.
Berry is sour.
Orange is juicy.
Orange is juicy.
And pear is plumpy.
Pear is plumpy.
Pineapple is tangy.
Pineapple is tangy.
And apple is crunchy.
Apple is crunchy.
I like fruits.
I like